You can learn Korean alphabet in 4 minutes. Hangul is easier than you think. Let's start.
아, 오, 우, 이, 어, 으, 예, 예, 야, 요, 유, 여, 예, 예, 가, 나, 다, 라, 바, 사, 하, 자, 차, 마, 카, 타, 파, 빠, 짜, 따, 까, 싸.
And next step is learning pronounce shish.
샤, 쇼, 슈, 셔, 시, 체, 체.
There is no C sound in Korean. It is always pronounced as she. Let's read the S with vowels.
사, 서, 소, 수, 스, 시, 세, 세.
Let's learn combined vowels.
와, 위, 의, 워, 왜, 왜, 왜.
Practice. Now let's read K with vowels.
가, 고, 구, 기, 그, 개, 개, 거. 차, 초, 추, 치, 츠, 채, 채, 처.
Korean, like English, is written from left to right. Practice by writing each letter several lines. Combine each consonant with vowels. Write them and read them out loud. Basic vowels, please review it. Combined vowels, keep in mind that Korean consonant, subscribe now and continue learning Korean, step by step with me. See you in the next lesson.